What's going on, folks? I want to talk about why I bought the Ecobee thermostat and why I'm taking it back. Keep watching. So my intro was like a little bit weird. I don't buy stuff and then take them back just to use them, and it's just I'm not trying to spread that karma. Uh, but I do want to talk about why I am going to take it back, and I already did actually. I pre-recorded this video, but the Ecobee is a great thermostat, and let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm an exotic plant collector. I have a decent collection of plants in my house that I take care of in my grow room. I talk about plants in this channel and basically what I do to take care of my plants. And this is one of things that may help you if you have a decent collection like myself. I might want to put this on your mind. So yeah, I bought the Ecobee thermostat because I'm going away for 7 days. It's like still winter. Things could drop below 30, 20 degrees. And if my house gets too cold, my plants are going to go through some shock. I don't want that. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to make sure that they were okay while I was far away. The Ecobee provided me that service. I want to also say that this is a non-sponsored ad for all the tech that I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm a small channel. I'm not getting paid yet, but I'm just telling you my experiences. So, like I said, this is non-sponsored. This is just my story. So, back to the Ecobee. It was really easy to install. The app was easy to download, and I could see real time on my phone through the app the temperatures. I could turn off the heat. I could turn on the heat. I could turn on the cooling. I could do all this stuff. And it also showed me the humidity in my house, which was also cool. And for like plant collectors, I think that's I think it's if you can shell out the money and it was $169. Now, my collection, the sun just got real bright, but my collection is over $169, so it was a win-win. I had to make sure that my plants weren't going to die, so it was a cost that I was willing to pay. Now I bought it for $169 at Best Buy because I could run to the store. I was thinking about getting it on Amazon, but I'm like, I'd rather just go get it. So that was really convenient, instead of getting stuff. It's nice to get stuff in the mail, but you get stuff all the time from Amazon, so it's starting to get old. But so, long story short, ran to Best Buy, hooked it up. It was very easy to hook up. The instructions were very clear. I am technically inclined, so I am familiar with thermostat wiring. If you have problems with thermostat wiring, the best thing I could actually tell you is take as many pictures as you can before you start moving things around. And when you start taking things off, that's basically what I did. I took a picture of the existing wires, and then I matched them up. And then when I got the new thermostat put on the wall, it was very clear, and it was very clear for me to see where to put what. And the instructions were very clear. The thermostat won't work with most heating systems. You do have to check their website. I didn't even check. I'm like, mine's is pretty new, so it should work. So yeah, I hooked it up. Everything was cool. I was away, chilling on the beach, looking at my. I was away at the beach, trying to relax. But I was also looking at my plants. I actually also put my Arlo cameras, my wireless Arlo cameras that you could put anywhere. They're pretty cool. I have them around my house, but I decided to put one in the grow room so I can actually see what's going on, just in case there was like a fire or something like that. I could, know what's going on. So I was watching my plants and I was looking at the temperatures, making sure that that was good. So that's all I want to talk about. Like it was really good feeling. Like I like the look of the Arlo. It was high tech, nice black, and every time you walk by, it came on. It's supposed to save you tons of money. Um, I'm not sure how, and I'm not going to go into detail. All in all, I did love having like the advantage of watching my the temperatures of my plant while I was away. The only other thing that was downside of while I'm taking it back is the real reason why I'm taking it back is because like my local gas company is giving away free Google thermostats and for free. And I mean, they both kind of do the same thing. I'm not going to go over the advantages and disadvantages. I do like the look of the Ecobee over the Google Nest. It just looks more high tech on the opening screen. So I'm not going to compare them. This is not the video. I'm just telling you, plant people, if you want to go away and you got like a heavy collection like me, and you want to make sure the temperatures are good in your house, pick one up. Real simple. And like I said, I'm not sponsoring Google, Arlo, or Ecobee. I'm just talking about it. I'm a small channel. I didn't get there yet. But if you got the 169, or if you want to check to see if your gas company is giving away these smart thermostats, they do. I did read that they do save on your utility bill, so it is a great thing to watch your plants, the temperatures, and to be able to save your money while you're away, and even while you're home. It's just nice to see. That's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to talk about those things. They were cool gadgets. Like I said, I did stick with the Google Home. It's the same thing. I am able to download the app. I was able to install it easy, and I'm able to watch my temperatures in my house when I'm not home. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like what you saw today. You can get notifications on my upcoming videos and stuff like that. And if you got any plant comments, or if you want to ask about any of the devices that I was speaking about, I'll put them in the link to my Amazon store below. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. My name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector, and keep growing.